Welcome to Barcelona, where I want to talk about the S24 Ultra today because this phone has actually been a huge help to me while I've been traveling. So some of you probably saw the videos. The video the other day, I went to Paris. I was there on vacation with my wife and my daughter and my brother, here in Barcelona now for Mobile World Congress. So I was out running around today, and the other day was a big, huge help. So I landed in France, got to Paris. I've never been there before. I don't speak French. I don't even speak English that well on some days. So I used one of the smart features for the first time, and it was a huge, huge help, which is the interpreter. And it's really nice because it's in the quick settings, which, see if I can do this multitask. So if you go into the quick settings, it should be there all the way over to the right bottom row, bam, and then it pops up, and it's really nice. So I had to download the French language pack, but it has Spanish in there already, has English in there, and it works really well because all you do is you tap the icon right here, and let's say I want to convert it to, it's in French right now, so watch this. So let me ask it a question. Hello, how are you? Can you please give me directions on how to get to the Eiffel Tower?
Pouvez-vous s'il vous plaît me donner des indications sur la façon de se rendre à la Tour Eiffel?
So it works really well. And I did this, I was like, let me try this out. We got into the taxi, we're getting a ride from the train station to our hotel, and he didn't speak any English, I didn't speak any French. And I pulled this up and he was like, his eyes lit up as soon as it started talking. And then all the other person has to do is just press the microphone icon down there in the bottom for their language, and then it converts it back into your language that you're talking in. So it works really, really, really well. It's great also to use here, like in Spain right now, because I can do some things in Spanish. I can order some food, ask for the bathroom, ask for help, things like that. But I mean, I don't speak Spanish really well all that either. So I know that we talk about the AI features, and some people think, okay, AI is not that great, but this is one of the big features that was advertised whenever it came to the AI features with the S24 series phones. And what's cool is you can do it with phone calls. So you can have the interpreter feature built in for phone calls, live translation, and also you can like translate text and things like that. So a lot of folks are like, well, I don't see the application of smart stuff. I don't see why I need this AI. I don't see how this AI is helpful. AI is a gimmick. And yes, circle to search is probably the biggest thing that a lot of people talk about with these S24 series phones, but this was really, really helpful. It helped me out quite a bit because it enabled me to have a conversation with my Uber driver. It allowed me to have a conversation with the concierge and help find things, help me get to places and stuff like that. So I wanted to talk about it. I'm up here on like the 5th story of this hotel that I'm staying in, downtown in Barcelona, pretty close to La Sagrada Familia, which is like this really old cathedral here. I've seen it before. I'll probably go take a look at it again this week. But yeah, just some nice stuff. And it's just going to get better and better and better. And this is a nice feature that you have with your Samsung phone. It's already built in. There's a support for a bunch of languages. I can't remember how many, but you can download the language packs for it. And it works really nice. And all you have to do is just change the language. And then there's a little plus sign down on the bottom that says add languages. So you've got Chinese, English India, English United Kingdom, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, Mexico, Spanish, Spain, Thai, Vietnamese, and French. So that's very, very helpful. And it's nice that it's built straight into the phone. You don't have to do anything crazy. And one other thing you might want to know though, make sure you set it for the right voice. There's different voices for each language. When I first pulled it up, it was a woman's voice. So I was talking and then it was speaking in French in a woman's voice. So I quickly changed it later on. Once I got to my destination, I changed it to the men's voice. But it's pretty cool because you can have a male voice or you can have a female voice. And it actually works really, really well. I've been just tickled with how well it works. It doesn't pick up on absolutely everything, maybe some slang stuff or maybe some stuff that, you know, might not be common tongue or whatever, but I thought it did a really good job. It was super helpful, and this is just kind of, we're still in the early stages with a lot of AI stuff, but I wanted to talk about it. I thought it was relevant since I'm out here traveling, all this good stuff. Mobile World Congress, today was the first day today. Y'all probably saw my Xiaomi 14 review yesterday. That went out. There's been some other phones and stuff launched here. I got to see the new Motorola phone that they've got. It's still a demo. Like, I don't know if it's going to make mainstream, but it folds backwards, and you can put it on your wrist as like a bracelet and stuff. So there's some cool stuff here. I'm hoping to get my hands on, see some cool things while I'm here. Today was a pretty productive day. I'll follow up, have another video tomorrow, but that's something. I was sitting here and I was like, you know what, this could be a very, very helpful video for some folks who, if you need to travel, or if you find yourself in a situation where you need to have a conversation with somebody in another language, it makes it easier than ever. It's like you don't need to know any of the language and you can have a conversation with someone. So that's all I got. Gonna sign off from here on location here in Barcelona. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comments, you have anything you want to know about it, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful, of course, please hit the like and the subscribe button, a little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.